Everybody.
Hi, everybody.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna find slime.
Okay, guys, we are doing a slime treasure hunt. I'm going to hide 5 different slimes, and they are going to try find it. The one who finds the most slimes wins. And these are going to be Floam slimes, so let's go see them. Who's excited? So basically, guys, here we have green, purple, pink, orange, and blue Floam slime. So I'm going to go hide it, and they are going to close their eyes. Okay, everybody, so I've hid the slimes, and there are 5, and you guys have to find as many as you can, okay? On your marks, get set, go. They're on this side of the garden. Did you find one? Lift it up in the air. Did you find one? Iris found the very first one. And go. Go find the next one. Yeah, go find it quickly. Iris, quickly, go look. It's nowhere there. Don't go there. Help them out, guys. Guys, they're more in pot plants and things like that. Really don't help. Look in pot plants, Iris, everywhere. Where all the little plants are in pots. Look in pots. And Iris found another one! Yay! Okay, guys, keep looking. There are 2 more. Come on, keep looking. Okay, keep looking for the slime.
Iris found another one.
Yay, 1 more to find, guys. Okay, let me give you a hint. It's on this side, close to me. It's close to me. Guys, you're very close.
Found it.
Okay, Malika found it. So, guys, Iris is the winner because she found 3.
And then maybe they should do like a rematch to find.
Yeah, but no, it's fine. So Malika found the green one, and Nava found the pink, and Iris found 3. So well done, Ari. You the winner. Lift yours up. Yee-hoo! So guys, make sure to subscribe. Bye.